Hey guys, if your Windows 11 laptop or PC is stuck on loading screen, in this video I will show you step by step how to fix it. The issue sometimes happens after an update or a sudden shutdown or when system files become corrupted. So let's start the video. First you need to open your system in Windows recovery mode. To do this, shut down your laptop completely, then turn it back on. As soon as you see Windows logo, press and hold the power button to shut it down again. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times until the Windows recovery screen appears. In some laptops, recovery mode appears right away, but in others, it may take 2 or 3 attempts. So this is the option we need, preparing automatic repair. Now you have to wait for a couple of minutes. Okay. So this is the option we need, recovery options. First, click on this troubleshoot option. So click on troubleshoot. Now you will see more options. Click on troubleshoot again. So click on troubleshoot. Now here you will see these two options. Click on advanced options. Then click on this option startup repair. Startup repair fixes startup files and boot related problems. So click on it. So this will diagnosing your PC. You have to wait for a couple of minutes. But if you see this kind of error, startup repair could not repair your PC, move on to the next method you can try. Click on this option, advanced options, click on it. Click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options. Now we are going to open our system in safe mode. For this, you have to click on this option, startup settings, click on it. Then click on this restart option. Now you have to press F4 function key on your keyboard. This will open your system in safe mode. In safe mode, if you installed any application after which this issue started, simply uninstall that application. Open control panel. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this run option. After that, you have to type control, then click on OK. So this will open control panel like this. Now you have to go to this view by option and select large icons. Then click on this option programs and features, click on it. So from here you can uninstall any application. For example, right click on the application, then click on uninstall. After this, restart your PC and check if the issue is fixed. But if you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method. Open Windows recovery mode. In this Windows recovery mode, click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options, then click on uninstall updates, click on it. Now you have to uninstall latest quality update and uninstall latest feature update. So click on the first one, then click on uninstall quality update. After that, click on close. Then again, click on troubleshoot, click on advanced options, click on uninstall updates. Then click on this option uninstall latest feature update, click on it. Then click on uninstall. Click on close. That's it. After that, click on continue. But if you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method. Click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options, then click on command prompt. Now you have to type a command. Type this command carefully. This command will scan and repair system files. Press enter. This command will take around 10 to 15 minutes to complete. After completing this command, cut this window and then click on continue. The next method you can try is system restore. For this, click on this troubleshoot option, then click on advanced options, then click on system restore. I don't have any restore point in my system, but if you have, choose a restore point from before the issue started. The last method you can try is reset your PC. For this, click on this troubleshoot option, then click on this option reset this PC. This should be your last option if you are still facing the same error. So there are two options, keep my files and remove everything. Click on this option keep my files. Then click on local reinstall. Now you can see the details. Change settings back to their defaults. Keep personal files. So the data you have in your system will remain safe. So there will be no data loss. One important thing, all the application and softwares you have in your system will remove. So your data will remain safe, but the application you have in your system will remove. Click on reset. So this will take around 30 to 40 minutes to complete. So these are the few methods you can try. This is all for the video. Thank you.